Welcome! Close the curtain and select a service menu. Smartphone is a service that sends and receives ID photos taken with Kirai to your smartphone. Make a selection from the service menu. Touch each service to see a more detailed explanation. Did you choose normal ID photo? Touch yes to continue. Please insert the money. Do not forget to close the curtain to take better photos. Choose between color and black. Now choose the type of the photo. Touch the photo of your choice. Is this the right type? Touch yes to continue or back. Before shooting, read the instruction on the screen carefully to ensure the best shooting conditions. When you're ready, touch the shoot button. The shooting will start right after you touch the shoot button. 2 pictures will be taken. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now, the second shooting. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Please wait. Choose the picture you want to print. Adjust the lines to the position of your head. While looking at the right position example displayed on the screen, adjust the red line to the top of your head using red up and down buttons. Then, adjust the green line to the bottom of your chin using the green up and down buttons. When the adjustment is complete, touch the Confirm button. Align your face in the center of the screen. Using the example on the screen of the correct alignment, touch the green right and left buttons to align. By using with the smartphone, you can make extra prints and save online data on your smartphone. To use this service, the free application Kirai Photo is required. Touch yes to continue. Remember to take your change in the return slot. Your photo is being printed. Your photo will be available in a slot outside the booth. Take your photos in the slot outside the booth. Remember to take your change. Please make sure not to forget anything. Thank you for using our ID Photo Kirai booth.